first time opening it up. So you guys will see my reaction. And I'll try a couple for y'all. Ooh, the Halloween box. Spooky. So, oh my gosh, there's a lot of things. Holy crap. Okay, so right now, here we got a beef bar. A chocolate chip cookie. I don't know if you guys can see it here. Let me turn it off. Let's just turn it on to break. Okay. And we got this Love Good Fat Chewy Nutty Bar. Dark chocolate, sea salt, and almonds. Ooh, that sounds good. Then we got this chocolate chip cookie. And then these New York dill pickle almonds. Wow. 2 more jerky sticks. Where are they? They're original beef sticks. 17 protein in them. Ooh. Protein puff all chip things. Almost like Cheeto balls. Right? What they're called. They're baked cheddar. Then we got these. Ooh. Egg white crackers. Pork rinds. Ranch. Nancy. And a super coffee positive energy, sweet and creamy. Maple pumpkin. Wow, I might have my boyfriend try that. A wild berry IG bar. That sounds good actually. Cocoa dusted almonds. Oh, that gots to be good. Peanut butter cups, dark chocolate. Those are good too. Okay, so I think first thing I'm gonna try is these cocoa dusted almonds. Let's see. One serving. So the serving size is 1 package. Calories is 140. Sodium is 4%. Total carbs is 4%. And proteins 10%. So I'm gonna try it. So good. And then I'm gonna try this beef stick. It has 80 calories. It's gluten-free. And 7 grams of protein. So, you know what? It's alright. It's pretty good. So, another thing, I'll try this. And it has, the serving size is about 28 chips. Calories is 140. I mean, yeah, 140. Sodium is 7%. Carbohydrates is 8 grams. Okay, let's try these. They're pretty good. Let's try this cookie. Hold on, y'all. For the cookie, it has 250 calories. Serving size is just 1 cookie. Total carbohydrates is 21 grams. Okay, that's it, y'all. I hope you have a good day. And please like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye!